How to fix YouTube notifications not working on iPhone. Not getting YouTube notifications for new videos or comments? Let's fix that. Tap the bell icon on subscribe channels. Open YouTube and tap on it. Set it to all instead of personalized. Right here. Head to settings and click on notifications. Go to profile and click on the gear icon and go to notifications, YouTube, and ensure all alerts allow. Click turn on right here. Allow notifications from here. If focus or do not disturb is enabled, your alerts might be silent. Now you won't miss a single YouTube alert. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.